The 3 most useful tips for making money on Instagram. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Currently freezing my testicles off in the truck. It is 27 degrees here in Idaho. Don't know why I moved here. So first tip to making money on Instagram is starting with your content. It's not having good content, it's having phenomenal content that is inimitable. Say it 3 times. Say it 3 times and you might win a prize, okay? Having inimitable content means that it's not likely to be repeated. You can't really replicate it. Somebody can't copy it. It's yours. It's unique. Okay, it's got your signature. That would look like something that is striking. It's off. It's abstract. It's got an aggressive angle. Maybe it's borderline insulting. It's extremely comical. Maybe to some people, it sticks out. Okay, something like this.
What? Merry Christmas! Yo, bitches, Merry Christmas!
Now, why Stuart did that, I don't know. Stuart is a 59-year-old man who we happen to hang out with all the time. He moved here from Modesto, California. Awesome dude, very youthful, and he wanted to sing you guys a Christmas carol. The point is, if you want to make money on Instagram, you have to have inimitable content, because nowadays more and more people are getting on Instagram, and if you're not doing things to stick out and separate yourself from other people in your niche, then you're not going to get ahead, and your account starts to look like the Honda Civic of Instagram. There's a lot of luxury accounts, there's a lot of travel accounts. Most of them look the same. So one of the ways that you can be unique and different is having inimitable content, okay? Think outside the box, be resourceful, have angles, have hooks, have good thumbnails. Do things that are abstract that most people wouldn't do. That's how you beat your competitors. And if you do that, your content is going to be consumed more. People are going to want to follow you. People are going to want to engage. People will tell their friends. People will tag their friends, all right? So now you are getting more engagement around your profile. The second thing that you need to do to make money on Instagram is you need to have a specific message to your brand. When you come to my Instagram account, @BenOberg, which you guys should follow right now. 2 things you should do right now. Follow me, @BenOberg on Instagram. Smash the like button, because I'm giving you secrets and tips to make more money on Instagram that you probably don't realize are going to help you exponentially. And Grandma over there on the right side of me was driving in my lane of the road. I almost pushed Grandma off the highway, all right? I think that you should be allowed to drive the miles per hour that your age is. So if you're like 94, you should be able to go almost 100 everywhere. If you're like, 26, you should just mope around. Wouldn't that be funny if old people legally had to drive the speed limit of their age? I think that's great. You have to have a brand message. When you go over to my account, it's clear. It's clear that I'm an entrepreneur. It's clear that I build businesses. It's clear that I'm an investor. Because all of the infographics I put on my account are about money, finance, politics, and getting out of mediocrity that we are taught in school, all right? All of my info videos are about social media growth, about building business, about closing skills, about sales. And all of my personal content is frequently me with high-level people, millionaires, multimillionaires, billionaires, etc. Okay, so you get that vibe when you start looking at my account. You have to have a brand message, all right? If you don't have a brand message, people get confused. Who is this? What does he do? Why the heck would I care? Okay, so 1, if you want to make money on Instagram, inimitable content. 2, brand message. And 3, okay, you need to start pitching. Start selling your damn product, your service, whatever it is that you do. Start pitching. Have a pitch. When you provide value, when you have inimitable content, when you're consistent, when you're putting that message out there, and your account is growing, you have extremely good engagement, you have earned the right to pitch. People like what you're doing. They follow you for the value. They follow you for a reason. They consume your content. They engage. Start presenting offers. Take multiple angles in. Hit them in a few different directions. All right? Right hook, left jab, uppercut. Hit them in a few different directions. Go into the same product. Promote your thing. Instagram stories. Use polls to get micro commitments. And then based on people that vote yes, go ahead and message them up. Work them in the DMs. Create some leads in there. Look at the people that comment on your stuff. Strike up conversations with them. Engage. These are targeted. They're already consuming your content. Pitch and sell them some shit. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new and you haven't already. I'm the pitch master. I'm the entrepreneur master. I'm the Instagram master, because I'm not the guy that's teaching you about the likes and the clout. I'm not that guy. I'm teaching you how to turn your Instagram and your social media brand, your business, into a 7-figure company. Go find the 17-year-old. Go find the solopreneur doing that out there. They'll teach you about likes and followers. They'll teach you their little sales funnel, okay? I'm hanging with Grant. I'm hanging with GC. We just got back from there, all right? I'm running with the big leads. I'm here to help you, because then that information, this shit down here, it's not going to get you ahead. It's not going to get you ahead, okay? Do not listen to people that don't have money. Do not listen to people in business that don't have those multiple 7 figures. 8, all right? Don't do it. Why? There's so many people to learn from on YouTube. There's so much bullshit, though. There's so much bullshit. A lot of people teaching how to make money online. There's a lot of people teaching how to make money on Instagram. Who's doing it? Okay? Have them put their money where their mouth is. Because I got the testimonials. I have the testimonials. I have the income awards that we send out to our members. I show you guys my bank statements. This is real. All right? What are they going to show you? Their PayPal account? They don't even have a business license or an LLC. All right? So stop learning from these fake teenage millennial entrepreneurs, unless they run a professional business, have employees, know what they're doing, and they've done multiple 7 figures. I would not get my advice from somebody earning 6 figures. They don't have a big business. They're still small. I'd get my advice from people that have built out an infrastructure, are creating opportunities of employment, have helped thousands of people, are really growing their brand, have the sales skills. They're business people, not influencers. Okay? Subscribe to the channel. Are you guys struggling to make money on Instagram? Let me know in the comments. Drop it down below. Usually what it comes down to is you don't have inimitable content. You're not consistent. You don't have a brand message, and you don't know how to get deals. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.